Hey guys, we received this healing chakras bracelet for women, six energy stones for stress relief, and this can be used by anyone, in my opinion, and comes in a really nice gift box. So these are the original beads that comes, and you can see comes in a really nice gift box, and this is you know claimed to help in your life aspects. But as a bracelet, I can see like this feel really nice, as you can see. So very nice beads, high quality. It have the honey citrine, Persian jade, blue aventurine, blue apatite, citrine, and charlotte or charoite. And fits really well with these stretchy things. You can see like the bracelet thing, so it's not easily breakable. And you can also just put on without any pinching or anything. So very smooth surface, 10 mm beads, 15 centimeter in diameter for the bracelet, handmade, and looks and feel really good. So these are really nice bracelet with the different beads, and also comes with other accessories like the extra charm or the stretchy band that you can use. So very smooth surface and easy to use as well.